Welcome to GreenBiz Studio. I'm John Davies, Senior Vice President at GreenBiz, and I'm excited to be speaking with Mike Duijser, Executive Vice President and Chief Supply Chain Officer at Ecolab. Welcome, Mike.
Hey, great to be here. Thank you for the invite.
Well, Mike, tell us a little bit about Ecolab and your role in the company.
Ecolab is the global leader in water and hygiene, infection solutions and services. You may have seen our hand sanitizers or soap dispensers, but you know we work at nearly 3 million customer locations across 170 countries, and across 40 different industries. From hotels to food processing to auto manufacturing and many more. And we're in the business of delivering comprehensive solutions and insights and services to help advance food safety, maintain clean and safe working environments, and optimize water and energy use. For me, as in charge of the supply chain of such a fascinating business, what I do is make sure that whatever is being developed over here, because we're in the business of helping our customers achieve their ambitions and their reductions and footprints. And hence, I get the privilege of being able to be, if you wish, our first customer of our solutions and running our own supply chain, if you wish.
So I know that Ecolab has very aggressive goals when it comes to climate change and water and other areas, and we're seeing renewed urgency for solutions and progress to slow the effects of climate change. So how are you working to bring your climate goals to life within the supply chain operation?
Ecolab is really in a unique position because the technologies we use with our customers, we also test and integrate in our own operations. Our goals will require that we develop a clear roadmap and milestones over the next decade, which we will achieve in partnership with our teams and our suppliers. To drive this, we've set annual targets and established an oversight committees with supply chains within, but also with our customers. We'll follow these plans in a very rigorous and diligent way over the next 10 years. And 30 years, because our commitments go out to 2050 for the neutrality.
Yeah, I mean, innovation is going to be a big part. So what are some of the opportunities you see within your supply chain operations to advance carbon reductions?
Two examples of how digital helps us towards net zero. We leverage digital twinning or modeling different scenarios in real time in unit operations that help us understand, for example, what are the optimal setups and throughputs, and that we can test that in a twinning and in an offline digital representation of the reality. And another digital platform that Ecolab uses is our water flow intelligence tool. This one enables real-time insights and response, providing visibility into water usages at the enterprise, site, and asset level.
Well, it's an exciting time to be in this area, especially with all the innovation you noted. So I've been talking with Mike Duijser, Executive Vice President and Chief Supply Chain Officer at Ecolab. Thanks, Mike.
Hey, I appreciate it. Thank you so much.